Thank you very much. Maraming salamat. Salamat na balbalag from the FINMA University of Pangasinan, which has been honored by a great sponsorship on it, support coming from the SM group of companies led by Desi C. Coson. Pero ang gagawin natin dito, mga kasama, hindi lang marketing o real property development, pero education of the young people for a better future. Yan po ang pamana ng SM para sa mga kabataang Pilipino dito sa Pangasinan. Maraming salamat po. Mabuhay! Mabuhay, April!